today I am going to show you how I achieved this amazing twist out. The key here is to make sure that your hair has the proper balance of moisture, but not too much. Otherwise, your hair will not dry. Trust me, I have failed at many a twist outs. So this one came out quite nice. I am really liking the definition of the curls. And it's really fun, easy, and you can play around with the style after you've done your twist out. So stay tuned to see how I do my twist out so maybe you can get some tips too.
All right, so here we have my hair from my last video. I am not going to rewash my hair. I'm just going to rehydrate it with some water and some Release My Curls Detangler by Flourishing Tresses. As you can see, it's very thick and creamy. I'm just going to work this through my hair because I'm just going to loosen up my curls from the last style that I had where I had some gel in it. This is our detangling brush, and let me tell you, this thing is amazing. Oh my goodness, look at that. Almost zero effort involved for any of you that are watching this that are classified as our tender-headed tresses people. This will definitely help you ease the pain, and it's just really lovely. I absolutely love this brush. I can't get enough of it, clearly. And right now you can see my hair was already parted from the last style, so I'm just going to kind of use the same part as I did from the last video where I did like my little faux mohawk, and I'm just going to detangle this part of my hair as well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure everything is detangled and start doing the twist. So I have the top part of my hair detangled, and I'm just going to go ahead and twist the back part of my hair just like I did the top part of my hair. Now this is the part where you're going to have to kind of determine how you want your twist to look, but the main thing is to make sure that your hair is really hydrated but not too wet, and you want to make your twist pretty tight, because as you'll be able to see, like as I start twisting, then my hair will start to kind of poof up a little bit, but that's okay because that will help with the style. And I'm just going to make sure that I'm doing each section of my hair. In the back, I'm just going to kind of do cornrows down with twist. I'm not making perfect parts or anything like that. I'm just basically finger parting my hair, and then I'm just going to twist from the scalp all the way down to the end of the hair and just kind of go from there. Now, obviously, depending on the thickness of your hair, you might want to break this up into multiple sections as opposed to doing what I'm doing, or this might be the perfect, cornrow or twist, I should say, for you guys to try. But like I said, doing twist outs, it's really a trial and error type thing. I've done several twist outs where the twists were too big or too small or over moisturized. So you're going to have to play around with doing twist outs. Don't get too frustrated or discouraged. All right, all done. So here I am the next morning. For me, since my hair holds a ton of moisture, I like to do my twist at night and then kind of let them air dry overnight. I do put a silk scarf and bonnet on my hair just to make sure I'm protecting the style and my tresses. So here I am. I put a little bit of castor oil on each of the twists, and I'm just carefully untwisting. As you can see, I'm unraveling each section, and I have some pretty awesome definition, which lets me know right now that I got the perfect amount of moisture in my hair, not too much in, not too little, to let the twist out come out. But like I said, this is the part where you have to be patient and just go slow with your hair. You don't want to go too fast, because if you do, then it'll just kind of look like a poofy mess. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to unravel these. All right, so I am done, and I'm pretty happy with the results that I have with this twist out. Like I said, twist outs do not always come out in my favor, but luckily the hair gods were raining upon me and I was able to pull it off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you watching and I will see you in the next one. But for now, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.